Maggie?
Hey, Joel.
Yeah, I tried calling you last night. You didn't answer.
I was at a movie or something, I guess. This episode follows a moment where Joel made what Maggie thinks are promises to her to bring her into a major surgery. She sort of feels a little bit let down by the time this episode rolls around. So when it comes to Joel, she's playing a little bit cool at the beginning. She's, giving him little sort of chilly signals.
As is always the case, when you sort of have this thing that you deem sort of casual, it ends up being something a little bit more serious. Sooner or later, somebody becomes a little bit more emotionally involved. On the surface, at least, it appears to be Maggie,
But of course, they end up, what's the word? Snogging. in a patient room, an empty patient room, anyway. And then things sort of develop.
Ow! Did you just bite me?
Yeah, I had an impulse.
There's a lip biting scene, and I think that's her physical declaration that she's had enough, basically. Okay, are you mad at me? Did I do something?
And that's how the talk comes about. And then, of course, it comes out, you promised me this, and which is totally unreasonable. You promised me this, and then you didn't you didn't follow through on it, and the talk happens, and of course Maggie is like, if the talk is happening, I don't want to be humiliated, so let's just break up. And you never call me unless you want to have sex.
Oh, I thought that was the deal. Are we having the talk?
No.
Because I've been completely honest with you here, Maggie, about this. I'm not up for a relationship right now. I don't have it in me, and I don't want to lead you on.
Okay. Then I think our transaction is done, Dr. Gordon.
I'm sorry, what?
I'll see you around the hospital.
I actually think Joel's really responsible by at the outset saying, this is what it is. He decrees what it's going to be. And she does want different rules to that. Rules that he wasn't prepared to sort of compromise.
For whatever reason, I guess sometimes playing hard to get works. Joel asks Maggie to be his girlfriend.
It's time for me to try and be more generous with you.
Is that code for you want to be exclusive?
I think we should give it a shot.